Are you interested in dinosaurs and want to learn more about them? Welcome to Give a Fact, and you are watching surprising facts about these long-extinct creatures that are sure to blow your mind. If you like this kind of video, be sure to subscribe for more great content, or tell us what you want to learn more about in the comment section below. 1. About 250 million years ago, most life on Earth went extinct, and within the next 10 million years or so, dinosaurs began to evolve. But the exact timing of when dinosaurs first entered the scene is up for question. However, we know for sure that humans have just been on Earth for around 2 million years, while dinosaurs have once ruled the world for about 245 million years. 2. Actually, we don't know what killed the dinosaurs, and we might never know it. One of the biggest mass extinctions on the planet so far occurred during the Cretaceous period, and it was 66 million years ago when an asteroid struck Earth just off the coast of Mexico. But dinosaurs didn't all go extinct at once. Instead, it likely triggered a chain reaction of events that completely changed the face of the planet. This, of course, didn't happen overnight, but over the following few hundred or even thousands of years, slowly killing off all but the avian dinosaurs. While it's a good theory, there are also many other ideas for how the dinosaurs died out, with climate change being the other most likely culprit. 3. Although much of the world is covered in fossils, they're more easily unearthed in desert-like environments due to a lack of vegetation. That's why most of the world's dinosaur fossils are found in these three places: the high-altitude badlands of China, Argentina, and North America. 4. Although you've just learned the three places with the most dinosaur fossils, paleontologists have found dinosaur fossils on all continents. This is because when dinosaurs first came onto the scene in the Triassic period, about 230 million years ago, the Earth's continents were clustered together into one giant supercontinent called Pangaea. Over the following 165 million years that dinosaurs roamed the Earth, Pangaea slowly drifted apart, separating many dinosaur species from each other. 5. Crocodiles and dinosaurs have a few things in common. They're all reptiles, and all evolved from one common group of ancestors, the Archosaurs, between 250 to 200 million years ago. 6. There are roughly 700 known species of extinct dinosaurs. 7. In 1677, Robert Plot is credited with discovering the first dinosaur bone, but he guessed that it belonged to a giant human. It wasn't until the 80s that a dinosaur fossil was correctly identified for what it was by William Buckland. He was the first professor of geology at Oxford University and wrote the first full account of a fossil dinosaur called Megalosaurus. 8. The term Dinosauria is derived from Greek, which means fearfully great lizard. 9. Modern birds are a kind of dinosaur because they share a common ancestor with non-avian dinosaurs. 10. The first dinosaur egg was discovered in Mongolia in 1923. It was not just one egg, it was a collection of fossilized dinosaur eggs. Since then, about 40 kinds of dinosaur eggs have been discovered. 11. Although dinosaurs laid eggs because they are reptiles, not all dinosaurs laid the same kind of eggs. Nearly all fossilized dinosaur eggs that have been discovered had hard shells, much like birds' eggs today. However, the unearthed eggs of the first dinosaurs were fossilized soft-shelled eggs. This suggests that the earliest dinosaurs laid their eggs and buried them, like modern lizards. 12. If you lick a suspected fossil, it will stick ever so slightly to your tongue, because fossils are more porous than stones. Therefore, you can tell the difference between a dinosaur fossil and a stone by licking it. While this doesn't sound like the most legitimate approach, paleontologists may find themselves doing this on a daily basis. 13. Most fossilized dinosaur bones aren't actually bones anymore. The fossilization process most commonly happens when something gets trapped between layers of sediment or sand and remains there for millions of years. These remains then get surrounded by a layer of water, which replaces the original organic material with various minerals, creating a rock-like copy. 14. Tyrannosaurus rex or T.rex had huge back legs, but its tiny front legs were not much longer than human arms. 15. Most dinosaurs weren't very brainy. While they may have been mighty, fearsome beasties, dinosaurs would have been incredibly easy to outwit due to their pea-sized brains. For example, the Stegosaurus had a brain the size of a lime in a body up to 9 meters long. 16. The smartest dinosaurs were all carnivores, specifically the small, agile theropods like the velociraptor or the troodontids, which had similar brains to today's flightless birds. Other smart dinosaurs are the predatory theropods and the infamous T.rex, which had a significantly larger brain than the herbivorous Stegosaurus. 17. Although dinosaurs are portrayed in movies and TV shows as killing machines, most dinosaurs were vegetarians. In prehistoric times, carnivorous dinosaurs were apex predators that lived at the top of the food chain. Therefore, they were not many, while there were vast herds of herbivorous dinosaurs of varying sizes. 18. Are dinosaurs still alive today? Yes. The smallest avian dinosaur is still alive today, and it's the bee hummingbird from Cuba. It's tiny and is just over 5 centimeters long and weighs less than 2 grams. 19. The largest dinosaurs were the Titanosaurs. It's a subspecies of the herbivorous 4-legged dinosaurs with long necks and small heads called sauropoda. However, because the paleontologists rarely find an entire skeleton, and because soft tissues such as organs and muscles rarely fossilize, it's challenging to determine the dinosaur mass. However, it is estimated that the largest dinosaur is the Argentinosaurus, which weighed up to 110 tons, and Patagotitan, which also weighed 69 tons. 20. Diplodocuses had the longest tails of any known dinosaurs. While it wasn't the longest dinosaur ever, the Diplodocus was certainly well endowed with its tail, which measured an incredible 14 meters long. 21. The longest dinosaur was likely Supersaurus, a Jurassic sauropod that was between 39 to 42 meters long. Another contender is Diplodocus, a long and slender Jurassic sauropod that could reach lengths of 33 meters. 22. The tallest dinosaur is likely Giraffatitan, a 12-meter tall sauropod dinosaur from the late Jurassic, about 150 million years ago, which lived in what is now Tanzania. 23. All 4-legged dinosaurs were herbivores, but not all herbivorous dinosaurs were 4-legged. This is a common misconception, as there were quite a few herbivorous dinosaurs that could walk on 2 legs. 24. One species of dinosaur had 4 wings. Adorably named the Microraptor, this minuscule bird-like dinosaur measured just 60 to 90 centimeters long and weighed about 1 to 1.36 kilograms. There have been hundreds of fossilized remains uncovered since the beginning of the 21st century, and all fossils clearly show that the Microraptor had wings on both its front and rear legs. 25. It was a commonly held theory that the plates that the Stegosaurus had along their backs were used for defense. However, this is just a myth. There are 2 main possibilities for the functions of the plates. The plates were either used as a display for other Stegosauruses or even to help regulate their temperature. These plates were chock full of blood vessels, so they may have pumped warm blood to them, which then cooled on the large, flat surfaces, much like a car's radiator. 26. The dinosaur with the longest claws was the Therizinosaurus, which is also the longest clawed animal to have ever existed. This horrifying dinosaur had 3 long 1-meter scythe-like claws on each arm. 27. Crocodiles, pterosaurs, mosasaurs, ichthyosaurs, and dinosaurs all have a few things in common. They're all reptiles, and all evolved from one common group of ancestors, the Archosaurs, between 250 and 200 million years ago. 28. Some dinosaurs intentionally swallowed huge stones. These stones, known as gastroliths, may have helped herbivores to grind down the vegetation they ate into more digestible pieces. Plesiosaurs also may have swallowed stones to help manage their buoyancy, much like tadpoles and axolotls do today. And that is a wrap. What did you learn from this video? Let us know in the comment section below. We hope that our educational videos will help spread the knowledge so everyone can protect our world and biodiversity together. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find our videos useful and want us to make more videos. Until next time, give a fact.